In this video, I'll guide you through how to set payment reminders in Google Calendar. This is really useful if you want to stay on top of things like monthly loan payments, subscriptions, or any bill that you absolutely don't want to forget. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're not very familiar with Google Calendar yet. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for your reminders. If you use multiple Google accounts, it's worth double checking that you're in the right one so your reminder shows up where you expect it. Once the calendar page loads, you'll see your monthly or weekly view along with a sidebar on the left. Now look at the top left corner of the screen and find the Create button. This is what you'll use to add anything new to your calendar. Go ahead and click on Create. When you do that, a small menu or pop-up will appear with a few options for different types of entries you can add. From that menu, click on Event. Events are perfect for payment reminders because they show up on your calendar at a specific date and time, and they can also be customized with notifications. Once you click Event, a larger window will open where you can fill in the details. At the top of this event window, you'll see a field for the event name or title. Click into that field and type monthly loan payment. You can adjust the wording if you'd like, but using something clear and specific helps you recognize it quickly at a glance. This title is what will appear on your calendar and in your notifications, so make it something that clearly reminds you of what needs to be paid. Next, set the date and time for your payment reminder. You'll see options to choose the date and usually separate boxes for the start time and end time. Click on the date field and select the day your payment is due, then choose a time that works best for you to be reminded. Many people like to set it for the morning so they have time during the day to actually make the payment, but you can choose whatever time fits your routine. Remember, this is just a reminder, so pick a time when you're most likely to see it and act on it. Take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks correct. The title says monthly loan payment, the date matches your due date, and the time is when you want to be reminded. If your calendar shows different time zones, make sure it's using the one you're currently in so the reminder triggers at the right moment. Once you're happy with the details, click Save. This button is usually located at the bottom or top of the event window. After you click Save, your new payment reminder will appear on your calendar on the date and time you selected. You should now see monthly loan payment added to your calendar view. That's all you need to do to set a payment reminder in Google Calendar. You've created an event, given it a clear title, chosen the right date and time, and saved it so you'll get notified when it's time to pay.